Warm greetings to everyone. I am Jasmin JP Jimeno.
And I am Christian Joshua M. Gabriel.
We are junior biology students from the University of Santo Tomas. With the aid of our co-authors and advisors, we will be presenting our thesis entitled Updates in the Endoparasites of River Fish in Southeast Asia. Invasive alien fish species are introduced species that are new to the environment, contributing in the alteration of the physical and biological structure of the water ecosystem, affecting the distribution pattern of species as well as its behavior and survival. The IAFS outcompetes the native fish species for resource of food and habitat. The rapid rise of population poses a threat to the ecology of the river ecosystem. Alongside the introduction of these IAFS is also the possible co-introduction of the non-native parasite in the river, which can infect native fish species through its morphology, reproduction, and other biological components. These impactful threats are being neglected as the published articles regarding this topic is limited. Given such, this study will provide a list of probable parasites from Southeast Asia, focusing on the helminth parasites of invasive river fishes that have not yet been documented in the Philippines but could be introduced in the region. Here, we collated articles from international and national published articles from scientific search engines such as Google Scholar and Science Direct. We compiled the data according to the research design per region and analyzed the trend. This led to the creation of a manuscript containing all collected and organized data. Despite the sudden rise of invasive fish species and their co-introduced helminth parasites in the freshwater ecosystems within Southeast Asia, there were only a limited amount of published articles regarding this topic. The number of overall collated primary articles were 54, with most published articles sourced from Thailand with 16, followed by Vietnam with 15, Indonesia with 5, then Laos, Cambodia, Philippines each contributing 4, and Singapore and Myanmar with 1 published article each.
Of the 54 studies that were collated, it was gathered that a total of 25 studies contained information regarding trematodes, 14 regarding cestodes, 19 regarding nematodes, and 11 regarding acanthocephalans, all of which are in river-inhabiting fish species in Southeast Asia. A total of 84 genera of helminth parasites were observed in 129 fish species, 29 of which belong to trematodes, 13 from cestodes, 24 from nematodes, and 18 from acanthocephalans. In relation to this, intestinal flukes are trematodes belonging to the genus Haplorchis from the family Heterophydeae were the most reported helminth parasite to infect river-inhabiting fish species, having been observed in 74 fish species. The helminth parasites belonging to the aforementioned genera apparently infected 57.36% of the total fish species reported in the collated studies. Moreover, the most represented fish family of the aforementioned 129 fish species was shown to be Cyprinidae, also known as the carps or minnows. The current state of parasitic diversity in river fish species in Southeast Asian countries, such as the Philippines, suggests a call to action among the scientific community to lend their efforts in providing a list of possible parasites that may have been introduced but have gone unreported in Philippine rivers, as this would provide clarity regarding the matter and fill the gap in the current body of knowledge about the helminth parasites of river fishes in the Philippines. With that said, we'd like to thank you all for listening, and may you all have a good day.